The most talked about stocks just fell off a cliff. Lululemon dropped 17%. Let's talk about buying this because it could be a very nice entry right now. The market is down today, but because I make sure to be diversified into very undervalued positions, I'm still up over $500 and I'm outperforming the S&P 500, which is crazy because I hardly have any money invested, so I'm super heavily invested in these IPOs. Lululemon has had a devastating past 3 months, falling 50%, so it might be time to buy. I'm sure you guys remember just a couple months ago I said I would not buy Lululemon after this dip because it still didn't make sense to me at that price of $300, and now it's pulled back even more. Drop me a follow. I'm updating you guys every single day and I'm putting you on for free. Lululemon has typically been a great long-term investment. If you bought it just a few years ago, you would have actually been outperforming pretty much everything else. They're still very popular in the space. The thing that's slowing them down right now is tariffs. You guys probably saw this already, but tariffs are really putting pressure on their margins. It's just hard for companies to be profitable when they're getting so much taken away from them. But the big thing is we want to be early into these stock positions that are in the S&P 500 because they're safe and reliable and we can expect them to outperform other stocks. So on a pullback like this, it's very attractive. Let's talk about how much I can expect to make. First of all, it's a massive company that is not going anywhere. They have a massive market cap and tons of employees. It's not something I have to worry about going bankrupt. They said their next quarter doesn't look great. Doesn't really concern me because all their recent earnings has been on target with their expectations. No bad surprises, so it's all good here. And their fair value is almost 100% of the current price, so that's really exciting. It's literally the price other people on social media were begging you guys to buy, and now it's its fair value that's 80% higher. Never say I don't get you right. Average price target I've seen for this stock is $267. It's about $10 lower than it was yesterday after analysts downgraded it, but that still represents a 60% potential upside. So that would be outperforming the S&P 500 for 6 or more years. Because the market doesn't always go up. Once I get buying power from my 4 IPO positions, which is going to be 6 figures of buying power, you better believe I'm going to be buying some Lululemon. And it'll be a long-term investment, obviously, because I want to retire a millionaire, not just take $1,000 with a day trade. Guys, I'm buying 10 other stocks right now, so if you want that full list, comment the word trade in the comments below. I'll message you so that we can be on the same page.